Every abandoned house holds a story. A story whispered in the peeling paint and the silent, dusty rooms. This home has been sleeping for a long, long time. But what happens when someone decides to wake it up? What secrets are buried beneath the layers of neglect? Today, an impossible transformation begins. A journey to reclaim a forgotten past. She steps across the threshold into a world frozen in time. The air is heavy with the scent of decay and memory. The first task is to clear a path through the clutter of the past. With every sweep of the broom, the dust of forgotten years takes flight. Slowly, order begins to emerge from the chaos. Each discarded object is a remnant of a life once lived here. She is not alone in this monumental task. Together, they share the burden, a silent understanding passing between them. The restoration extends beyond the walls, out into the overgrown garden. Nature has spent years reclaiming this space. Now it is time to gently push it back. Each cut of the shears is a deliberate act of renewal, carving out a space for light to enter once more. The tangled branches are gathered, remnants of the wilderness that crept in. Slowly, the shape of the garden begins to reappear. The fences that once defined the boundary are uncovered. The grounds around the house are cleared with relentless effort. Another helper joins, wearing the traditional conical hat, a timeless silhouette of Vietnamese resilience. The final remnants of the overgrowth are scraped away, revealing the clean earth beneath. The garden is cleared, ready for a new beginning. Now attention turns to the house itself, to healing the wounds of time. The thatched roof, weathered and worn, is given new life with fresh palm leaves. This is a traditional technique, honoring the spirit of the original structure. The new green leaves lay a protective blanket over the old wooden frame. Below, the broken brick floor is carefully repaired. New mortar is applied, mending the fractured foundation. The walls, a lattice of bamboo, are strengthened with a new layer of plaster. The source of this strength comes from the whispering bamboo forest nearby. The bamboo is harvested by hand, a sustainable and resilient material. Each stake driven into the ground is a promise of stability. A new foundation for a fence or a garden bed. The woman works with the bamboo, her movements practiced and sure. She is not just building. She is weaving the landscape into the home itself. The raw material is processed with precision. Every piece is prepared for its purpose. The work is demanding, but the vision is clear. With the repairs done, the final debris is cleared away. The house stands renewed, its wounds healed. It breathes again, ready for a new chapter. The next phase of the restoration begins. More bamboo is prepared. The rhythmic sound of the saw is the music of creation. The work is meticulous, requiring patience and a steady hand. Each piece must be perfectly sized. A new fence rises from the prepared bamboo, a simple, elegant boundary between the home and the world. It is woven together, a testament to the strength and flexibility. The fence stands complete, a clean line drawn against the wilderness. Now attention turns to the finer details. An old wooden door is carefully cleaned. Years of grime are gently wiped away, revealing the wood's true character. With the doors restored, the surrounding area is swept clean. This is a project of total renewal inside and out. Each restored door is a gateway to the home's new life. They are carefully carried back into the house, ready to be rehung. A symbol of welcome returned to its rightful place. The final act of restoration is to prepare the earth itself. The soil is tilled, ready for new seeds and new growth. The work in the garden is a quiet, contemplative process. A final, transformative touch: color. The old weathered walls are gently washed, prepared for a fresh coat of paint. Inside, the dark wooden pillars are painstakingly scraped clean. The rusted window grates are scrubbed, ready for renewal. A can of rich red paint holds the promise of a vibrant new identity. The old doors are reborn in a deep, welcoming crimson. Each brushstroke is an act of defiance against decay. The window frames receive the same bold treatment. A collection of restored doors and windows glowing with new color. The walls are painted a soft, calming shade of green. The color breathes light and life back into the old rooms. The new paint covers the scars of the past. Even the exterior walls are transformed. A final inspection of the fresh, clean surface. The dark wood of the pillars is coated in a protective, rich brown. The window grates, once rusted, are now a sleek, dark brown. The smallest details are painted with care. The final act is to wash away the remnants of the work. A final cleansing, revealing the finished work in all its glory. The home is reborn, vibrant and full of promise. A new phase of cleaning begins, this time with modern power. The flooded floors are swept clear. The pressure washer blasts away years of accumulated grime. The terracotta tiles of the roof are revealed from beneath a layer of moss. The powerful stream of water is a force of purification. High above, she works tirelessly to restore the roof to its original color. Even the interior floors are given the same powerful cleaning. An ornate wooden cabinet is carefully washed, its intricate carvings revealed. After washing, it's wiped down by hand, a final gentle touch. Inside, the simple wooden furniture is cleaned and rearranged. The house stands transformed, clean and bright. The renewal of one home seems to have inspired the community. A group gathers to clean the public pathways. They work together, cutting back the overgrowth. The debris is swept and gathered. This is a collective effort to bring cleanliness and order to their shared space. The road is cleared bit by bit. The work is nearly complete. The satisfaction of a job well done is shared by all. They pause to admire the clean, clear path they've created together. The transformation is remarkable. And with their work finished, they depart, leaving beauty in their wake. The work continues, a quiet testament to their shared goal. The cleanup effort is a community affair. Men and women work side by side, clearing the overgrown garden of an old home. The traditional non-law hats are a common sight, practical and iconic. The team is a whirlwind of activity, each member focused on their task. Slowly, the garden is tamed, revealing the house that was hidden beneath. The coordinated effort brings order to the chaos. The road leading to the house is swept clean. The progress is visible, a clear line between the wild and the reclaimed. Modern tools are brought in. The gas-powered trimmer makes quick work of the tough weeds. Its roar is the sound of rapid progress. A leaf blower clears away the final layer of debris. The team works to gather all the cuttings and waste. The courtyard of the house is finally cleared. Every last leaf and twig is swept away. The work is painstaking, but the results are worth it. The team can finally stand back and admire their accomplishment. One final sweep to ensure perfection. The property is transformed, clean, and orderly. The house can now breathe again. The final panoramic view shows the incredible difference their hard work has made. A story of community, hard work, and the beauty of restoration. The scene opens on a new project, a community effort to clear a rural yard. The team works with a shared purpose, sweeping and digging. They work under the shade of a large tree, a respite from the sun. A power trimmer is deployed to tackle the dense overgrowth. The machine cuts a swath through the wilderness. The team works in concert, clearing the land with a combination of manual and machine power. The work is difficult in the dense, tangled brush. A woman works diligently with her hoe, clearing weeds by hand. The trimmer carefully clears the area along the fence line. Near an old well, a new patch of ground is prepared. The work is hard, breaking up the dry, compacted soil. A wide view shows the scope of the project and the progress they've made. The two men work with a steady, powerful rhythm. Their fatigue is visible, but so is their satisfaction. The once overgrown area is now a clean, open space. The team takes a well-deserved break, admiring the transformed landscape. The final touch is to perfectly level the newly cleared earth. Every last bit of debris is shoveled away. A final sweep leaves the ground pristine. The project is complete. A beautiful, clean space created through teamwork. The project starts with clearing the land, preparing for a new build. The team works together, sweeping and gathering debris. The progress is steady, the result of their coordinated effort. The physical strain is evident, but their determination does not waver. A woman meticulously sweeps the cleared earth. The spirit of cooperation defines the worksite. They move across the property, reclaiming it from neglect. The work is hard and hot under the bright sun. The work expands to different areas of the property. Now, the cleanup moves indoors into a structure mid-construction. The concrete floor is covered in dust and debris. The team works to clear the interior space. 3 sweepers work in unison, a choreographed dance of cleaning. Outside again, the courtyard of the new building is cleared. The work is nearing completion. The team pushes through the final phase of the cleanup. With the job done, they prepare to leave. They walk away from the transformed property, their task complete. The final view shows a clean, orderly home, ready for its next chapter. The story ends, a testament to the power of community and hard work. The camera pans over a quiet rural landscape, a space of potential. A house mid-construction stands as a promise of what's to come. Inside, the raw concrete walls wait for finishing touches. A small window offers a glimpse of the world outside, a hint of life. The surrounding area is peaceful, a quiet village road. A final look, a story of renewal complete. A very special thank you to the owner of the BT2 for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.